Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Update Bgmi and the OS, then clear background apps to reduce packet loss. Next, pick a VPN that offers UDP or TCP toggles and low-latency servers near your game region. This reduces ping spikes. Once chosen, grant the firewall or VPN app the necessary network permissions on your device or router. Now connect to the selected server. You want stable routing rather than the fastest-looking node, because stable packets matter more than occasional speed bursts. Once connected, make targeted firewall changes. Whitelist Bgmi process names and the game's known ports so the firewall doesn't block critical packets. Then adjust outbound rules to prioritize the VPN interface and add a rule that blocks any direct, non-VPN traffic. This prevents leaks. If you need consistent UDP paths, configure NAT or port forwarding on the router firewall. After each change, test connectivity and ping to Bgmi servers. Small rule tweaks can drop jitter, so iterate. You finish by locking DNS to your VPN provider and saving the firewall profile so settings persist. Enable auto-reconnect and DNS leak protection in the VPN app. This keeps Bgmi traffic enclosed even if the connection hiccups. Once done, launch Bgmi and run several matches to confirm consistency. If things go wrong, the single key troubleshooting tip is to revert the last firewall rule change and test stepwise. Reapply one rule at a time and test after each change to isolate which rule caused the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.